is Ksenia. I'm 13 years old, and this is my flower. When it grows, I think it will be very pretty. And no, I don't know. I'm sure it will be pretty.
Hello, my name is Yaroslav, and this is Denis.
Hello, my name is Igor, and it is Mr. Wilson. He is a cucumber, and when it grows up, I will eat it.
Hello, my name is Dennis, and this is my friend Tigger. He's a cucumber, and when he grows up, I will eat it.
Hello, my name is Artyom. I am 14 years old. It's Tigger Bobus. It's 4 days old.
Hello, my name is Sergey, and this is Bob.
Hello, my name is Prokhor. It's my friend flower Mercedes. It's 4 days old, and I love it.
We
Enjoy.
Grow it.
this
Beautiful
green.
plants.
Hello, my name.
Hello, my name is Sergey, and this is
О!